Able to show you some basics. So here we have basic information about the item itself. This is a granola bar. We know it's lot numbered. Now, in the description, I've got lot numbered. We wouldn't need to put that in there. We know it's lot numbered because up here it tells us it's a lot numbered inventory item. Put images, UPCs, how you sell it, all the basic information that you would typically have on an item. And then when we go into inventory management, we can set our reorder multiples. We can set up reorder points or have the system auto-calculate. We can put purchase lead times. How long does it take for us to get it from purchase to our door? Or as the system starts learning, let it auto-calculate the lead time. Is there seasonal demand that we have to consider? Do we have preferred stock levels, safety stock levels? Now you'll notice this information isn't filled out here, and it's not because I turned on a feature here where I can actually mark it by location. So I have two locations here in my demo environment, US 1A and US 1B. And in this case, I actually have different reorder points and different preferred stock levels by location, because let's say for whatever reason, either from a size perspective or a demand perspective, it's just different. And we're able to keep track of that here on an item level. I'm just in the most basic first level page of this inventory item, and you see all the information we could already see about the item, how much we have, the value of it, the average cost, my last purchase price. We already mentioned these reorder points, quantity on order. So I've got 40 on order, I've got 10 committed, and that means I've got 32 available to sell. In the case of 1B, I've got none on order, and then all kinds of information that we can put in terms of back order. We want to do physical inventory or physical inventory counts, we can do those as well. We're also able to set our preferred vendors with the vendor price, so that automatically creates purchase orders from this vendor. And then if I jump into inventory detail, I mentioned these are lot numbered. And so in this case, you can see I'm showing all locations, but let's just say I want to show 1A. I can see all the different lots I have in 1A and the quantities that I have. And now keep in mind, every movement of this item will have a lot associated to it. So if you click on the lot, I can easily see what I have, search any transactions that were ever done with this lot in case I ever have to find out who did I ship